Hey, welcome back. I'm on JobTestsPortal.com, and I'm going to show you how to tackle a deductive reasoning test. First, I'll click the menu button, open Assessment Tests, and select Deductive Reasoning. This is the test overview page. Adaptive difficulty, logic puzzles. I'll hit Start Test, then start from the beginning. Before the test kicks off, I'll set the duration to 1 minute and bump the difficulty up to level 4. Very hard. The rule is that each shape appears exactly once in every row and every column. Let's start with row 4, column 1. Column 1 already has a circle and a cross. Row 4 already has a square, so the only shape that fits there is the triangle. Now row 4, column 4. Row 4 has a triangle and a square. Column 4 has a circle and a square. The only shape missing from both is the cross. Row 4 now has 3 shapes filled. The remaining cell in column 2 gets the circle. Finally, the question mark in row 3. That row has a cross and a square. Column 3 has a circle. The only shape not yet in row 3 is the triangle. I'll click it. Correct. Question 2 is up. New shapes, circles, blue stars, triangles, and crosses. Only about 30 seconds left on the clock. I'm going to pause here and let you try this one yourself. Use the same method. Check the row, check the column, eliminate what's already there. Pause the video now. All right, time's up. Here are the results. 1 question answered, 1 correct. The solution highlights each cell in the grid. Row by row, column by column, it eliminates shapes until only one option remains for the missing cell. You can analyze and learn the solution's facets in full details in this section. Here, the green triangle is the only shape that hasn't appeared in that row or column. So that's the answer. That's deductive reasoning in a nutshell. Follow the rules, eliminate what can't be there, and the answer finds itself. Thanks for watching.